beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your first time visiting us, karibu sana. Just don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Do what? Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that every time I have a new simple recipe, you are instantly notified on the same. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my rice and sausage on those busy and weekdays. You are using very simple ingredients. I think you should try this. Let's get rolling. So I have already my cooked rice here. I have my sausages chopped like that. I have my yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. I have my tomato paste. I have my freshly chopped parsley. I have my garam masala, my paprika and my rico. I have my garlic and my salt into my sufuria. I also have my cooking oil and some onions. So I'm just going to cook this till they are translucent. Then we're going to add our garlic. My onions have started to brown, so I'm just going to add in my garlic and give it a quick stir. And please be careful not to burn your garlic, because once you burn it, your food is going to be bitter. Next, I'm going with my tomato paste. Stir it gently. We are going to let our tomato paste cook and lose that raw taste. So I'm going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. My tomato paste has cooked perfectly. I'm now going in with my bell peppers. So you can also use the red one if you get. I didn't get that red one, so it's still okay. I used the green and the yellow just to add some color to my food. And I'm also going in with my spices, my paprika, my garam masala and rico. I'll give it a good stir. With that sweet aroma coming in. And I'm going in now with my pre-cooked sausages. So I just deep fried them. So I'm now going to let them again absorb my spices. So once you have stirred like that, just cover them and let them cook for about 3 minutes. So my smoothies are done perfectly. I'm just going in with a little bit of water so that I can make that nice thick stew. And we're going to let this simmer for about 1 minute. Then we're coming in with our rice. Wow, so my smokies are perfectly done. And now I'm just going in with a pinch of salt. Remember, I had already cooked my rice with some salt, and I don't want my food to taste weird because of the salt. So I just added some little bit of salt. And finally, I'm going in with my pre-cooked rice. So, rice. And we're going to give this a quick stir until everything is perfectly combined. Wow, and everything is coming in well together. Wow. So this is really delicious, especially when you are very busy and you're feeling so tired, you don't want to cook. This is a quick fix. And now I'm going in finally with my freshly chopped parsley. Just going to sprinkle it like that. And give it a quick stir to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Wow! It is looking very delicious, and I promise you, you won't regret trying out this recipe one of those busy days. And don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, and also share our video with your friends and neighbors. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up
up, and until then,